Do I need a lawyer as part of the process of getting legal status in Israel for a foreign spouse or partner? This is a question I get asked many times. Hi, my name is Joshua Pex. I'm an Israeli immigration lawyer, and we help many couples each year, whether they're married or they're living together as a couple, get and regulate legal status in Israel for the foreign partner or spouse. So if you're an Israeli and you're marrying someone who is not Jewish and a foreigner, you have the legal right to live together in Israel, and the foreigner will get eventually Israeli permanent residency or even Israeli citizenship after a process that takes between 5 and 7 years. But many times couples at the beginning of the process ask themselves, do we really need a lawyer? Now I'm a lawyer myself, so you'd think that I would say yes all the time, you always need a lawyer, but it's not exactly the case. In reality, there are 4,000 couples that do this process every year, and I would say the vast majority of them don't need a lawyer. In truth, you do need a lawyer for certain signatures on affidavits, and also you need a notary public for translation of certain documents. Now we will be happy to give you this service, but in other cases, right off the bat, at the beginning, we know that there might be problems if there's any issue of obviously illegal immigration in the past to Israel or anything that has to do with criminal or security problems, or even couples that are not, what maybe the Israeli immigration would prefer, like if there's big age differences, or a foreign worker in Israel that marries an Israeli. All these cases are an indication that you might expect problems at the Israeli immigration at Misrad Apnim. Therefore, we do advise a lawyer from the beginning. In other cases, maybe you are a couple that can do it alone, but you don't have the time to spend to learn the bureaucracy. You want someone to help you submit everything online, make your appointments at Misrad Apnim. Lawyers can go with you to interviews at the immigration office. All this gives, obviously, couples a sense of security. So if you can also pay legal fees and want assistance through the whole process, we have a staff of lawyers in our office in Tel Aviv or Jerusalem. We'd be happy to assist. If you're at the beginning of the process and you're thinking, do we need a lawyer or not, or we just want a lawyer to go over the documents to make sure that everything is in line, we'd also be very, very happy to hear from you, and we can schedule an appointment and hear more about your case. So if you have any questions regarding regulating the status of a foreign partner or spouse in Israel, or anything that has to do with immigration to Israel, we'd be happy to hear from you.